Welcome back to Blazin Tech. We actually have a new video we'll be making today. We actually are going to be installing Discord on Mac. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and open up Google Chrome, a favorite browser. Go ahead and type in Discord. Let's go ahead and click on verify right here, Discord. So the first one will be perfect. So go ahead and download it. And this would automatically detect what operating system your computer is. If it doesn't, go ahead and you'll be able to find it under downloads. So for this one, automatically detect it. So let's go ahead and click on download for Mac. Let's go ahead and hit save for the downloads. Let's wait for it. Give it a couple of seconds. Okay, there we go. We're done. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and open up Discord. We're going to go ahead and let it open up. It's checking the volume, mounting it. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and drag Discord over to applications. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Okay, let's take a look. Boom! Discord has just been installed. Before we do that, let's go ahead and open up Discord. Hit open. Go ahead and close the browser. It's downloading updates and installing them. Let's go ahead and open systems. It'd like to receive keystrokes. You have to click open system preferences. And you actually have to unlock it right here at the bottom left. Type in your password. And go ahead and check mark it. And then hit click later and close the browser. So now here you actually sign in. There we go, guys. We are actually into the server. We are in the server. So that pretty much completes this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe, try to post notifications so you won't miss another video. If you have any questions or anything you want to say, you want us to review, please comment down below and we'll actually get to it as soon as we can. So hope to see you on the next video. Peace.